Hello, parents. This is Mr. Golias, and I'm just trying to give you a little hand on making sense of the due dates coming up. So, if the information on the email isn't helpful enough, what I wanted you to take a look at is a sample of a class. So, here is the item where all students will be turning in their Genius Hour products. Now, this class doesn't exist anymore, so it's just a former example, but I will post a link like this on Wednesday and everyone will start turning their stuff in. So you'll see two ways they turn items in. For example, here is a good one where everything is done. They have their podcast where they put it on YouTube. You do not need to put it on YouTube, but they chose to. They have their artifact, which was a video on YouTube. They also made an app, and you'll notice there's a link that goes directly to their app. So it depends on what they made. I'll find links to video games and animations, all kinds of stuff. The other way to turn it in, the students can actually click on this, which you could do when they log in today. And once you click on that, you're going to see their work that they have submitted. And for us, most students have turned their podcast in, and you'll even see in the name podcast here. Some students have two attachments, so this student probably has a video. Like this one, you could see a video on teen boredom. This one has 3 items in here, so they have everything turned in. So these are the 2 ways they can turn it in. If I had a student in this class, I would want to click on the turn in and see exactly what they have and make sure both pieces are there. You should be able to click either as a link or a turn in a podcast, and you also should be able to see their artifact. If you can't see one of those, that's when you know there's big problems, and we got a lot of work to do by Friday when presentation starts. So if you do have any questions, shoot me an email, but hopefully just visually seeing what it should be is helpful. Thanks a lot and have a great day.